I really want to go to Central Michigan University, but I don't know if I meet their admission criteria.
Yeah, same here. I've heard it's a great school, but I'm not sure if my grades are good enough.
Have you guys heard of Study Metro? They help students like us find the right college and navigate the admission process.
No, I haven't. How do they work?
Well, they have a team of experts who can help us figure out if we meet the minimum admission criteria for Central Michigan University or any other college we're interested in.
That sounds helpful. What kind of criteria do we need to meet for CMU?
From what I've heard, CMU looks at things like your high school GPA, standardized test scores, English proficiency, extracurricular activities, and personal essays.
Okay, well my GPA is decent, but my IELTS scores could be better.
Yeah, I'm in the same boat. My GPA is okay, but my IELTS scores could use some improvement.
That's where Study Metro can really help. They can help you figure out what you need to do to improve your scores and make your application stand out.
That's great to hear. I really want to get into CMU, so I'll definitely look into Study Metro.
Same here. Thanks for telling us about it, Neha.
This website is really easy to use. I just entered my information and it gave me a list of colleges that I might be interested in.
Same here, and it looks like they have a section specifically for CMU. It says here that the minimum GPA requirement is 2.5 and the minimum IELTS score is 6.5 band.
Okay, my GPA is above that, but my IELTS score isn't. What should I do?
Well, Study Metro has test prep services that can help you improve your scores. They also have resources for writing a killer personal essay and tips for standing out in extracurricular activities.
That's really helpful. I'll definitely look into those services.
Me too. And it looks like they have a team of experts who can help us with the actual application process too.
That's great. Applying to college can be really overwhelming, so having some guidance would be amazing. I can't believe we made it here. This is so exciting.
I know, right? And we have Study Metro to thank for helping us through the admission process.
Definitely. They were so helpful in figuring out what we needed to do to meet the minimum admission criteria.
And their test prep services really paid off. I improved my IELTS score drastically.
That's amazing. And I got some great advice on my personal essay that I think really helped me stand out.
Plus, they made the application process a lot less stressful. I don't think I would have been able to navigate it on my own.
I'm so glad we found Study Metro. They really made all the difference.
Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.